Hey guys, it's Matt with Matt Scratch Fever. Here to do a little $30 ticket right quick. And then I got one other thing I'm going to show you guys. But stopped off, picked up a 300 million cash explosion. No bonus on it. Just typical match. Or looking for that money symbol 2x, 10x, the star. Wins you 500, or the cash wins you all 30 prizes. So let's see what we can find, and then I'm going to show you guys something right quick. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Helps the channel out. We are looking for 16, 45, 55, 53, 49, 50, 6, 5, 35, and a 26, or one of them symbols. 41, or 15, 29, 54 is right in the middle, 44, 27, one off, 39, nada, 59, nope, we have 49, 28, nothing, 9, nope, 25, got 26, 1, 52, one off, 11, nope, 17 is a nope, 23, 4, one off, 38, nope, 58, nope, 20, 14, nope, 21, a no-go, a 19's a no-go, 33, nada, 8, 34, nope, 24, nope, 36, we're running out of spots, one off, and our last spot, 47, is a dud. Anyway, we are 17 away from hitting 200 subscribers, and 100 subscribers. We are going to do another, try to show you here. So I had something made, and this is going to be in one of our giveaways. We'll do some regular giveaways with some tickets, stuff like that. But I'll open it up. I just picked it up. It's still in the box. Pull the plastic off just to show you. And let's just out. Look at here. Had that made. And it comes with your lid, all this stuff, and a metal straw. And these things, I have several of them. And my wife uses them all the time, and they hold ice like you would not believe. So that is going to be our last giveaway when we do our next live. So, and also, if you guys do want one, just shoot me an email. They're a little bit pricey, but they are good quality. So if you guys want one, I figured it up, the price of the cup and the shipping probably right around $35. So If you guys are interested in one, just shoot me an email and let me know. But that one right there is going to be up for grabs in our next live. So stay tuned. Said we're 17 away. When we hit the 200, we will start gearing up for it. Till then, I hope everybody has a great day and a great week, and we will catch you later. Peace.